Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on KuCoin. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device, and once it is opened up, proceed with logging in to your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your password, tap on your user ID at the top left corner. You can then tap on the security option, within which you will see the login password. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be allowed to change your password right away. You will first need to type your old password and then enter your desired new password underneath. Finally, type in this new password once again for confirmation, and once you continue forward, your password will be changed onto your account right away. You can then proceed with using your new password along with your original email address in order to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on KuCoin. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.